The MT4 platform provides users with a comprehensive selection of tools and technical indicators designed to assist traders interpret historical price data and forecast future price movements. Some of the more commonly used tools and indicators are period separators, used to visually separate trading days and sessions based on the MT4 server time of the platform. To enable the period separator on the MT4 chart, right-click in the chart window, select Properties in the drop-down menu, click on the Common tab, tick the Show Period Separators box and click on OK. The period separator, once enabled, appears as a dashed vertical line, which on the lower time frames represents the daily opening time of the symbol relative to the MT4 server time. Vertical lines. Plotted against the horizontal time axis of the chart, this tool can be used to clearly identify specific times of day, whether being used to help visualize trading sessions, key economic news releases, or to help navigate through the chart. They can be used in a variety of ways to help assist the user. To plot a vertical line on the chart, select the Draw Vertical Line icon in the toolbar of the MT4 platform. Hold the mouse cursor over the relevant area of the chart and press the left mouse button to place the marker. By default, a vertical line will appear on the chart, displaying the time and date of the horizontal axis. With the vertical line selected, right-click on the line and from the drop-down menu select Vertical Line Properties. From the Vertical Line Properties window, in the Common tab, we can add a name and description in the line, adjust the color, thickness and other aspects of the line's visual qualities. The Parameters tab enables us to manually change the date and time, whilst the Visualization tab lets you control the chart time frame from which the line will be visible. To remove a vertical line from the chart, double-click on the vertical line to select it. Once selected, a small square will appear on the top and bottom of it. You can now right-click on the line and click on Delete from the drop-down menu. Horizontal lines, plotted against the vertical price axis. This tool is often used to identify significant price levels such as monthly, weekly, daily, and intraday highs and lows. They can also be used to visualize areas of interest to the user, such as levels of support and resistance. To plot a horizontal line on the chart, select the Draw Horizontal Line icon in the toolbar of the MT4 platform. Hold the mouse cursor over the relevant area of the chart and press the left mouse button to place the marker. By default, a horizontal line will appear on the chart displaying the price on the vertical axis. With the horizontal line selected, right-click on the line and from the drop-down menu select Horizontal Line Properties. From the Horizontal Line Properties window, in the Common tab, we can add a name and description to the line, adjust the color, thickness, and other aspects of the line's visual qualities. To remove a horizontal line from the chart, double-click on the horizontal line to select it. Once selected, a small square will appear on the left and right side of it. Now you can right-click on the line and click on Delete from the drop-down menu. Diagonal lines and trend lines can be used to identify diagonal support and resistance. They will often be used to identify trends or price ranges by connecting specific data points, making it easier for the user to visualize the areas on the chart. To plot a trend line on the chart, select the Draw Trend Line icon in the toolbar of the MT4 platform. Hold the mouse cursor over the relevant area of the chart and press the left mouse button to place the marker. Whilst keeping the left mouse button pressed down, extend the trend line across the chart and release the mouse button to place the trend line. With the trend line selected, right-click on the line and from the drop-down menu, select Trend Line Properties. From the vertical line properties window, in the Common tab, we can add a name and description to the line, adjust the color, thickness, and other aspects of the line's visual qualities. The Parameters tab enables us to manually change the date, time, and price of the data points on the left and right side of the line, as well as extend the trend line by selecting the Ray option, whilst the Visualization tab lets you control the chart timeframes from which the line will be visible. To remove a trend line from the chart, double-click on the trend line to select it. Once selected, a small square will appear in the middle, on the left and right-hand side of it. Now, you can right-click on the line and click on Delete from the drop-down menu. Technical indicators use mathematical formulae to interpret historical prices and display the results on the financial chart. They are often used by technical traders and investors to identify prices and areas of potential interest. Some of the most well-known technical indicators include moving averages, MACD, Bollinger Bands, Ichimoku Kinku Hyo, momentum, RSI, and stochastic. Most trading platforms will come with a selection of pre-installed indicators, many of which will have adjustable parameters. Indicators can also be custom built and programmed in the supported language of the trading platform being used. In general, technical indicators are usually placed into 4 groups. Trend indicators, used to help identify the overall directional movement of an asset over a period of time. A few examples of trend indicators include moving averages, MACD, moving average conversion divergence, and Ichimoku Kinku Hyo. Momentum indicators, used to help identify the rate of the rise and fall of price of an asset over a period of time. A few examples of momentum indicators include RSI, Relative Strength Index, MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, and ADX, Average Directional Index. Volatility indicators, used to help identify the size and frequency of price changes or fluctuations over a period of time. A few examples of volatility indicators include ATR, Average True Range, Bollinger Bands, and the Donchian Channel. Volume indicators, used to help identify an increase or decrease in trading activity over a period of time. A few examples of volume indicators include on-balance indicator, tick volume, and the money flow. To add an indicator on the chart, right-click on the indicator in the Navigator window of the MT4 platform. Select Attach to a chart. Then click on OK in the pop-up window. Alternatively, you can drag and drop the indicator directly onto the chart, then click on OK in the pop-up window. To remove the indicator from the chart, right-click directly on the indicator in the chart and select Delete Indicator from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, right-click the chart, click on Indicators List from the drop-down tab, select the indicator from the pop-up window and click on Delete. To change the parameters of an indicator, the indicator must first be applied to the chart. Right-click on the indicator and select Properties from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, right-click on the chart, click on Indicator List from the drop-down tab, and double-click on the indicator from the pop-up window. From here, you can change the parameters, levels, and visualization of the indicator. Once you have a copy of a custom indicator, in the MT4 platform, click on File, Open Data folder. Double-click and open the MQL folder Indicators. Copy and paste or drag and drop the custom indicator into this folder. Restart your MT4 platform, or right-click in the Navigator window and select Refresh, and your indicator should appear in the Navigator window. Stay tuned for more Forex educational videos.